Hello and welcome back to English Daily Flow.
Hi, everyone. We are so excited to be here with you today.
My name is Emma.
And my name is Kevin. Welcome to our daily English conversation practice.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. And Emma, today I am feeling very happy, like a smiley face emoji.
I am feeling energetic, like a fire emoji.
What about you guys? Describe your mood right now using only one emoji in the comments.
Are you happy? Tired? Hungry? Drop an emoji below. We want to see how you are feeling.
Today, we are talking about something that takes up most of our lives. We are talking about work.
Yes, jobs, careers, the office, the daily grind.
And the reason I am wearing this terrible thing around my neck.
You mean your tie? You look very professional, Kevin. Very smart.
Thank you, but I feel like a penguin. It is so tight, I can't breathe.
Why are you dressed like a penguin? Do you have news for us?
I do. I have big news. I got a job, a real office job.
Congratulations! That is fantastic. What is the job?
I am the junior associate of data entry and paper management at a big company downtown.
That sounds very fancy, but what do you actually do?
Honestly, I have no idea. I sit at a desk, I type numbers into a computer, and I move paper from the left side of the desk to the right side of the desk.
Ah, the classic office job. So, how was your first week?
It was terrifying, Emma. I made so many mistakes.
We all make mistakes in the beginning, but before we talk about the first day, tell us about the job interview.
Oh, the interview. That was a disaster.
Why? Interviews are just conversations.
No, they are interrogations. I walked into the room. There were 3 people in suits. They looked very serious.
And what did they ask you?
They asked the classic question, "Tell us about yourself."
That is a very common question. You should prepare for that.
I didn't prepare. I panicked. My brain went empty.
So, what did you say?
I said, "Hello, my name is Kevin. I like toast, and I'm afraid of onions."
You told them you are afraid of onions in a job interview?
Yes, it just came out. I wanted to cry. I thought, "Kevin, go home. You are fired before you even started."
But they hired you.
Yes. I think they thought I was funny, or maybe they just really needed someone to move paper.
So, you got the job. Let's talk about the commute. How do you get to work?
I take the bus, the rush hour bus.
Rush hour. That is the time when everyone is traveling to work or home, usually 8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
It is horrible. It's like a can of sardines. Someone's elbow was in my ear. Someone stepped on my shiny new shoes.
That sounds stressful.
By the time I arrived at the office, I was already tired, and my tie was crooked.
Let's talk about the office environment. Do you have colleagues?
Yes, colleagues are the people I work with, right?
Correct. Are they nice?
They seem nice, but they speak a different language.
A different language.
Yes, they speak corporate English. It is very confusing.
Ah, business idioms. Give me an example.
My boss came to my desk. He's a very tall man with a loud voice. He said, "Kevin, I need you to hit the ground running."
Hit the ground running. That means to start working hard immediately without needing much help.
I didn't know that. I looked at the ground. I thought he wanted me to run around the office.
No running in the office, Kevin.
And then he said, "We need to think outside the box."
That means to be creative, to find new solutions.
I looked under my desk. I thought there was a real box. I felt so stupid.
Don't worry, everyone is confused by business jargon at first. Did you have any meetings?
Oh, the meetings. We had a Zoom meeting this morning.
Video calls are very common now with remote work.
It was a disaster. I was at home for this one. I was wearing my suit jacket, but I was wearing pajama pants on the bottom.
The classic work-from-home outfit. Business on top, party on the bottom.
Exactly. The meeting started. My boss was talking about quarterly profits. It was very boring.
And
And I sneezed. Achoo! It was a massive sneeze.
Did you mute your microphone?
No, I forgot the mute button. The sound exploded in everyone's headphones. My boss stopped talking. Everyone stared at me on the screen.
That is so embarrassing.
And then my cat, Shadow, jumped on the desk. He walked right across the camera. Everyone saw a giant cattail in my face.
Well, at least it was entertaining. Did your boss say anything?
He said, "Kevin, please control your assistant."
Shadow is your assistant. That is cute.
But the worst part was the coffee machine in the office.
What happened?
Office coffee machines are like spaceships. Too many buttons. Espresso, cappuccino, latte, or mocha.
Which one did you press?
I pressed double espresso, but I put a tiny cup under it.
Oh no.
The coffee didn't stop. It overflowed. Hot coffee went everywhere. On the counter, on the floor, on my shoes.
Did anyone see?
Yes. The manager walked in. She looked at the mess. She looked at me. She just shook her head and walked away.
I think you're making a great impression, Kevin.
I'm the junior associate of coffee spills now.
Kevin, tell me about emails. Do you have to send emails?
Yes, hundreds of emails. And I have to use professional language. Dear sir, best regards, sincerely.
It is very formal.
I almost made a big mistake. I was writing an email to a client named Mr. Smith, but I made a typo.
What did you write?
I wrote, Dear Mr. Smelly.
No! Did you send it?
I almost clicked send. My finger was on the button. Then I saw it. Mr. Smelly. I deleted it just in time.
You must proofread your emails, Kevin. That could get you fired.
Fired. That means losing the job. That is my nightmare.
Don't worry. As long as you don't call clients smelly, you will be fine.
Emma, tell me about your job. You're a teacher. Is it easier than office work?
It is different. I don't sit at a desk all day. I stand up, I talk, I use my energy to help students.
Do you have a boss?
Yes, I have a supervisor, but I work independently in the classroom.
That sounds nice. Do you have deadlines?
Yes, a deadline is the time when work must be finished. I have to grade homework by a certain time.
I hate deadlines. My boss gave me a pile of paper and said, I need this by 5 p.m.
That is the pressure of the 9 to 5.
9 to 5. That means working from 9 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. But honestly, it feels like 9 to forever.
You just need to get used to the schedule. How is your work-life balance?
Work-life balance? What is that?
It means balancing your job with your personal life. You need time to relax.
I don't have balance. I go home, I eat toast, I sleep, I wake up, I go to work. I am a robot.
You need to set boundaries. Don't check emails at night.
But my phone goes ding, and I get scared it is my boss.
Turn off the notifications. We talked about this.
I know, but I'm afraid of getting fired. I need the salary.
Salary, the money you get paid. Is the salary good?
It is okay. I can buy better toast now, maybe even avocado toast.
Moving up in the world.
But I miss being a student. Or a cat. Cats don't have deadlines, they just sleep and eat.
But you are an adult now, Kevin. This is reality.
Can I ask you a question, Emma? How do you stay happy at work?
I focus on the purpose. I love helping people. If you find meaning in your work, it is not so hard.
Meaning? My job is moving paper. What is the meaning?
Maybe the meaning is that you are helping the company run smoothly. You are part of a team.
That's a nice way to look at it. I am the engine of the paper.
Exactly. Be proud of your work, even if it is small.
Okay. I will try to be a proud paper mover. And I will try not to spill coffee tomorrow.
That is a good goal. And maybe fix your tie. It is crooked again.
Thanks.
We used a lot of useful business English today. Let's do our word tour.
Yes, let's review the vocabulary so I can understand what my colleagues are saying.
The first word is colleague.
Colleague. C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E.
A colleague is a person you work with, a coworker.
My colleagues are nice, but they speak corporate language.
The next word is deadline.
Deadline, the specific time you must finish a task.
I have a strict deadline, so I cannot talk right now.
The next phrase is hit the ground running.
This is an idiom. It means to start a new job or project with a lot of energy and speed.
My boss wants me to hit the ground running, but I just want to walk.
The next phrase is rush hour.
Rush hour, the busy time of day when traffic is bad because everyone is going to work.
I hate driving during rush hour.
The next word is salary.
The money you earn from your job.
I want a higher salary so I can buy a robot vacuum.
And the last one is remote work.
Remote work, working from home or outside the office.
Remote work is great, but remember to wear pants.
Haha, yes, very important advice.
Those are great words for the workplace.
Now, let's summarize my first week.
We learned that interviews are scary, especially if you talk about onions.
We learned that office jargon like think outside the box is confusing.
We learned to always check the mute button on Zoom.
And we learned that Kevin should stay away from the fancy coffee machine.
But you survived, Kevin. That's the important thing.
I survived. And tomorrow is Saturday, the best 2 days of the week.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
We want to hear about your careers.
Today's question is, what is your dream job?
If you could do any job in the world, what would it be?
Would you be a pilot, a chef, a writer, or maybe a professional video game player?
Or maybe you're happy in your current job. Tell us, what do you do?
Write your answer in the comments below. Use the vocabulary if you can. My dream job has a high salary and no deadlines.
That sounds perfect. And remember, if you didn't do it at the start, drop an emoji to tell us how you're feeling.
We love seeing those emojis.
Thank you for touching base with us today.
You're learning.
I'm going to go home and take off this tie. I need oxygen.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a productive day.
Bye. Work hard, but not too hard.